My name is Jen. I am a technician at Horizon Ag and Turf, and I've worked here for 8 years. I got started at Horizon Ag and Turf through someone I knew from school, was a foreman here, and he had contacted me and said they were looking for technicians. I applied, came in for an interview, and got the job, and it's been a great experience ever since. My career journey started in my 20s. I worked on the oil rigs, and then I got into construction, and I wanted to have a job where I worked all year long. I decided I wanted to be a heavy equipment technician because I had always worked around equipment, and I thought there would be a good variety of jobs and things to do. It wouldn't be the same every day. What I like about being a technician is the variety of work and the challenge. Every day is usually something different, and learning every day, even if you're a journeyman, is something that's important. The atmosphere of the West End shop is fantastic. Everybody gets along really well. We have toolbox meetings every week, and we've made a big focus on mental health in the last couple of years, and it's made a big change. Horizon's been really supportive for me. I worked here for 8 years. I have 2 young kids. I've gone through pregnancy, been on mat leave, and it's a great place to work with a family. A day in the life is coming in, getting changed into your uniform, which is usually coveralls, turning your computer on, figuring out what your job is for the day if you're starting something new. It can be anything from a service to an engine replacement. The sky's the limit. Advice for someone who wants to be a technician is go for it. If someone says no, then go somewhere else and try there. Specifically, working at Horizon is have a good attitude and work hard. Something I enjoy about the company is the equipment I get to work on every day. My team that I work with, there's only a few of us that work on construction equipment in our dealership, and we get along really well. It makes me look forward to coming into work every day. My experience working at Horizon has been wonderful. I don't see a future for myself where I'm not here. I really enjoy all my coworkers, and I like getting up every day and coming into work.